Good morning, Vietnam! Xander here with another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a bit of a special video for you guys. A company by the name of Sandmark recently reached out to me via email and they wanted me to test out a special product of theirs. So I'm very grateful and thankful that they decided to reach out to me. I really appreciate the opportunity that you guys are giving me to test out your product and give it a review. And I guess this is the first sponsor video on this channel, right? This is the first one. Let's go ahead and chalk it up as the first sponsor video of the channel. Super delighted that you guys gave me the opportunity, and I want to share this moment with my audience. We made it this far, and I appreciate all the support you guys have been showing lately. Yeah, this is going to be the first ever, I guess, proper sponsor and review video on the channel. So hit that like button, consider smashing that subscribe button if you haven't already. Stick around for today's video, and let's find out what's in the box together.
What's in the box?
Okay, so let's see what's in the box here. Sandmark went ahead and sent me their motion dolly product for smartphone and GoPro filmmakers alike. So right out of the box here, we can see everything's nice and neat here. Let's go ahead and pull these out here. We have an adjustable ball head mount here that will probably go on the base of the dolly. And we have here, we have the base to the motion dolly, and this thing is solid. This is very nicely made. It has a an aluminum finish to it. We also see here it is pretty adjustable. Here we have some degrees we can play around with. Oh, that is nice. That is nice and sturdy. Oh yeah. You can see we have 4 wheels here as well. And again, these are adjustable degrees here to fine tune the motion of the dolly, as well as trying to get the right angle you may want on the motion dolly path when you are filming. So that is really nice here. And then we have a sort of tripod screw on the other end of it here once we put the ball head mount. So we'll go ahead and get that adjusted now in a second. We also have the smartphone adapter, the holder here, in case you wanted to film with your iPhone or perhaps your smartphone in general. Flexible clip-on here. Should be good for any smartphone. Yep, that is nice. All right, so we have that there as well. And Sandmark was kind enough to also include a GoPro head mount here. Always nice to have these. And last but not least, there we go. And last but not least, we have a thumb screw for our GoPro head mount or action camera. Okay, all right, there you have it. That's what's in the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and assemble this really quick, and let's see what we can do with this thing. And there you have it. That is now mounted for motion dolly use. So let's go ahead and run some quick B-roll with this bad boy and see what it's all about. again, the neat thing is you can adjust the angle of this dolly motion if you want to get a specific dolly path for whatever shot you are interested in getting. That is a great thing to have with this tool. You know, it makes product reviews or anything you might be interested. I know as a GoPro user myself, it is a little frustrating sometimes to get that dolly action with my shooting. Sometimes I struggle with my dolly shots because I do have a bit of a natural jitteriness with my hands, but this tool definitely helps, especially if you're into product reviews or anything that might be on your desktop or a solid surface. And the great thing too is that this ball head mount is also adjustable, so you can get those unique dynamic angles as well with whatever you are using, whether it be a GoPro or your smartphone. And there you have it, guys. That is the Sandmark Motion Dolly for your GoPros and your smartphone setups. I think it seems very durable. I went ahead and tested it out outside right here in Miami Beach on some cement. Without the GoPro stabilization, it's a little bit wonky, but the slow motion certainly does help it out. Even as a stationary tripod, so to speak, shot, I can use this and position the GoPro any way I want. It'll kind of replace a tripod in that sense when I'm out in the woods or hiking. So I'll definitely be trying to use this for more B-roll for my adventures. It's definitely a must-have if you're a solo content creator and you do a lot of your stuff at home or in a studio and you do a lot of product reviews and you just want some gnarly B-roll footage with your GoPro or your smartphones. This is a must-have. It's a little bit pricey, but very, very durable, and I love the design of this thing. I might even use it more with my smartphone too. That's another B-roll camera I can use for my content. If you're interested in grabbing one of these motion dollies, I went ahead and included a link in the description down below. The only complaint I would really say about this product is that I wish there was something I could sort of pull this dolly along. I'm a creative guy. I can probably use some fishing line that I have and probably, wrap it up and sort of give it a little drag along and get some, more shots that way. If I definitely have another person with me, that definitely helps if they're on the ground and sort of, manning this thing. But that's my only complaint. If it was remote, that would have been dope. But that for sure would have been a lot more pricier and not affordable. I definitely give it a Xander thumbs up. Love what you guys sent me. Thank you so much, Sandmark. I'm definitely going to be using this a lot more for my content. And that's going to wrap up today's video. I'm Xander, and I'll catch you all on the wild side.